Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be unboxing the BoxyCharm, and this is from June. If you watched my last video, you'll know that there was a bit of a mix-up. They lost my June box. They sent out a replacement, and since it's way past June, I wasn't gonna do an unboxing, but then I thought, you know what? Other people must have gotten their boxes lost as well. So people should really know that if they send you a replacement, it's not gonna be your box, it's just gonna be a box. You'll see what I mean in a second. First, a little about BoxyCharm. Every month they send out 5 full-size products, and you can customize your profile by taking quizzes. You can put in whether you want a makeup heavy box or a skincare heavy box. You can put in that there are certain items that you don't want. Maybe you don't ever wear lipstick, so you put in that you don't want to receive lipsticks, and they customize those boxes to you. So for this June replacement box, I just got a random box, and it's not bad by any means. There are some really great brands in here that I really love, but it's just not my box. So what I'm subscribed to is a makeup heavy box, so I should get no more than 1 or a max of 2 skincare items. I also have my number one want is eyeshadow palettes. I have on there that I don't really want bronzers or highlighters just because I have a ton of them. And also you get to choose 1 item each month that you want in your box. And that choice item from June should have been the Tula Glow and Get It, I think it is. And it's for your under eyes. So let's see what I got. Okay, so first out is the choice product, and it was not the one that I chose. QMS Metacosmetics may be a really good company, but I really needed something for my under eyes, so that's why I chose the Tula Balm instead. So I got the wrong choice item, and I contacted BoxyCharm, and they're actually going to send out the correct choice product because they actually have it. They were selling it in the sale. They have an add-on sale as well, like FabFitFun does, and you can get items a lot cheaper than you could get it through the brand. So this is the Lip Line Corrector, formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip Line Corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. The high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. This right here, see that? That right there. That is $200. Next out is the foaming face wash from Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. Let's open that up. It is a honkin' big bottle of face wash. It says, let's see, our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. And this retails for $24. Okay, next out is something actually I was hoping I would get. I do spoilers every month for what's going to be in the next month's box, and I knew that we were going to get this Perfect Glow BB cream from Perlice. And I am very pale, but they sent me light medium, and that's not going to match me. You do, by the way, put in your skin tone and your undertone and all of that in your profile so that they can send you the correct tone of products. But they sent me a light medium, and I would be between a fair and a light. I'm pretty pale, so this is not going to work for me, but I might give it a try anyway just to see what the formula is like. So the Complexion Perfection for a Gorgeous Matte Meets Dewy Finish. This multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage and sunscreen benefits of a foundation and BB cream. This retails for $35. So there's that. Next out is the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. It is safe for sensitive skin. KP Bump Eraser Fast Acting Resurfacing Body Treatment contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. This hard-working scrub helps improve skin's texture and smooth away bumps, roughness, and stubborn, scaly areas. Okay, that retails for 18 bucks. And last out is Diamond Glow Powder by Artist Couture. I got the shade Illuminati, and this is a loose highlighter, and the inside is pretty cool. It's got a sifter, but it's got a little turny thing to block the powder from falling out when you open it, and so that's cool. A lot of people would love this, but I just have so many highlighters right now, y'all. It's ridiculous. I can't get through them. So I'm gonna find somebody else that can use this. Okay, so that was the BoxyCharm June replacement box. If you want to learn more about BoxyCharm, I will leave the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. As always, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye. Send out 5 full-size products, not 10, 5, one hand. So what I'm subscribed to is a makeup, oh God, Purelisse. From Purelisse, I swear. KP Bump Eraser KP Bump Eraser Fact Asking